Am I the only one that didn't know the incredible abilities of animals? From the skies above to the depths of the ocean, our planet teems with life in all its beauty and ferocity. Join us as we journey across the globe, venturing into the heart of nature's most incredible domains. We're on a quest to uncover the secrets of survival, the extraordinary adaptations that elevate animals from mere creatures to true superheroes. High above the earth soars a feathered missile, a blur of wings against the canvas of the clouds. This is the Peregrine Falcon, the undisputed king of avian speed. With eyes like honed jewels, it scans the landscape below, searching for the slightest movement, and then it strikes. The Peregrine Falcon enters a steep dive, its body a streamlined projectile aimed at its unsuspecting prey. The wind screams past its feathers as it plummets earthward, 240 miles per hour. Faster than a speeding bullet train, the Peregrine Falcon's dive is a breathtaking display of power and precision. In a heartbeat, the chase is over. The falcon's talons, strong as steel traps, secure their prize. The Peregrine Falcon, a true aerial assassin, has struck again. In the murky depths of the Amazon River basin, a silent predator lurks, its body a living weapon. This is the electric eel, a master of electricity with a shocking secret. Don't be fooled by its serpentine grace. The electric eel is no ordinary fish. It possesses specialized cells within its body capable of generating a jolt of electricity that would stun even the largest of foes. 600 volts, enough to power a small appliance. The electric eel's discharge is a formidable defense mechanism, capable of deterring predators and stunning prey alike. Imagine the searing pain, the involuntary muscle spasms, the sheer terror of encountering this aquatic powerhouse. The electric eel is a stark reminder that nature's wonders are often paired with formidable defenses. But the electric eel's power isn't just about brute force, it also uses its electrical abilities to navigate the murky waters, sensing its surroundings with an electric sixth sense. Across the vast expanse of the African savanna, a blur of spotted fur streaks across the plains. This is the cheetah, the undisputed champion of land speed, a symphony of muscle and grace in motion. Built for speed, the cheetah's lithe body is a testament to evolution's pursuit of velocity. Its long, slender legs propel it forward with astonishing power, while its flexible spine allows for incredible agility. 70 miles per hour, a speed that rivals the fastest automobiles. The cheetah's sprint is a breathtaking spectacle, a testament to the raw power that nature can unleash. But the cheetah's speed is more than just a show of force, it's a matter of survival. In the harsh realities of the savannah, speed is the difference between a successful hunt and starvation. The cheetah, a master of the chase, relies on its incredible speed to outrun its prey, securing its place as the apex predator of the open plains. Beneath the waves, hidden amongst the coral reefs, lives a creature that defies expectations. This is the Mantis Shrimp, a diminutive crustacean with an explosive secret. Don't let its size fool you. The Mantis Shrimp packs a punch that would make a heavyweight boxer envious. Its club-like appendages are biological hammers, capable of delivering blows that are among the fastest and most powerful in the animal kingdom. The force of a bullet. That's the impact of the Mantis Shrimp's strike. It can shatter aquarium glass, crack open shellfish, and even stun prey with its sheer power. Scientists believe that the Mantis Shrimp's punch is so fast that it creates cavitation bubbles, tiny pockets of vapor that implode with tremendous energy. It's a phenomenon that's more commonly associated with explosions than with animal behavior. The Mantis Shrimp, a testament to the incredible diversity of life, proves that even the smallest of creatures can pack a powerful punch. In the coral gardens of the Indo-Pacific, a master of deception lurks, its body a canvas for its ever-changing artistry. This is the mimic octopus, a creature capable of transforming its appearance at will, a true chameleon of the sea. The mimic octopus is a master of mimicry, able to change its shape, color, and even its behavior to blend in with its surroundings or impersonate other marine animals. It's a strategy that serves both as a defense mechanism and as a hunting tactic. Imagine the astonishment of a predator encountering what it believes to be a venomous sea snake, only to have it morph into a harmless flounder before its very eyes. The mimic octopus's transformations are the stuff of legend, a testament to the power of adaptation. But the mimic octopus's talents don't end there. It's also an intelligent and resourceful hunter, using its mimicry to lure unsuspecting prey into its grasp. The mimic octopus, a true master of disguise, reminds us that in the underwater world, appearances can be deceiving. In the ancient lakes of Mexico, a creature with an almost mythical ability makes its home. This is the Axorlottle, a salamander with the extraordinary power to regenerate lost body parts. Imagine losing a limb only to have it grow back fully functional within weeks. For the Axorlottle, this is a reality. It can regenerate limbs, tails, even parts of its heart and brain, making it a marvel of the animal kingdom. Scientists are fascinated by the axolotl's regenerative abilities, studying its cells and genes in the hope of unlocking the secrets of tissue regeneration. The axolotl's remarkable healing powers could hold the key to medical breakthroughs in human regenerative medicine. But the axolotl's significance extends beyond its potential for medical advancements. It's a powerful symbol of resilience, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way to rebuild and thrive. The axolotl, a true marvel of nature, challenges our understanding of what's possible in the animal kingdom. In the mangrove forests and freshwater streams of Southeast Asia, a feathered archer stalks its prey with deadly accuracy. This is the Archerfish, a master marksman of the aquatic world. The Archerfish possesses a unique hunting strategy, one that requires both precision and cunning. It targets insects perched on overhanging vegetation, using a powerful jet of water to knock them into the water below. Imagine the force required to project a stream of water with such accuracy to compensate for the refraction of light as it passes through the air-water interface. The Archerfish's aim is nothing short of extraordinary, but the Archerfish's skills don't end there. It also exhibits remarkable learning abilities, adjusting its aim based on the distance and movement of its target. It's a testament to the intelligence and adaptability of these aquatic archers. The Archerfish, a true marvel of nature's ingenuity, reminds us that even in the animal kingdom, practice makes perfect. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, from the tropics to the poles, a microscopic marvel defies the limits of survival. This is the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, a creature so resilient that it borders on the indestructible. Imagine surviving being frozen solid, boiled alive, exposed to the vacuum of space and bombarded with radiation. The tardigrade can withstand conditions that would be instantly lethal to most other life forms. The secret to the tardigrade's resilience lies in its ability to enter a state of cryptobiosis, a kind of suspended animation in which its metabolism slows to a near standstill. In this state, it can withstand extreme temperatures, pressures, and even the absence of water. Scientists are studying the tardigrade's incredible resilience in the hope of developing new technologies for preserving biological materials such as organs for transplantation. The tardigrade, a testament to the tenacity of life, reminds us that even in the harshest of environments, life finds a way. Across the savannas and grasslands of the world, a tiny titan toils tirelessly, its strength belying its diminutive size. This is the dung beetle, a creature that can move objects many times its own weight, a true Hercules of the insect world. Imagine pushing a ball of dung that's over 1,000 times your own body weight. That's the Herculean feat that the dung beetle accomplishes on a daily basis. It uses its powerful legs and specialized body shape to roll these dung balls, which serve as both food and breeding chambers. The dung beetle's strength is not just impressive, it's essential to the ecosystem. By burying dung, it helps to fertilize the soil, recycle nutrients, and control fly populations. Scientists are studying the dung beetle's incredible strength in the hope of developing new, bio-inspired materials and robots capable of performing heavy lifting tasks. The dung beetle, a testament to the power of nature's smallest creatures, reminds us that even the most humble of creatures can possess extraordinary abilities. In the undergrowth of forests and woodlands around the world, a small but formidable insect defends itself with a fiery arsenal. This is the Bombardier Beetle, a master of chemical warfare. When threatened, the Bombardier Beetle unleashes a boiling hot, corrosive spray from its abdomen, a defensive mechanism that's as effective as it is startling. Imagine the searing pain of a chemical burn, combined with the shock of a sudden explosion. That's the experience of encountering the Bombardier Beetle's defensive spray. The Bombardier Beetle's chemical weapon is a marvel of natural engineering. It mixes two chemicals in its abdomen, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, which react explosively to produce a boiling hot, noxious spray. Scientists are studying the Bombardier Beetle's chemical defense mechanism in the hope of developing new, bio-inspired technologies for propulsion systems and even cancer treatments. From the Peregrine Falcon's death-defying dives to the tardigrade's incredible resilience, the animal kingdom is a testament to the power of adaptation and the boundless creativity of evolution. These creatures, with their extraordinary abilities, remind us that the natural world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. From speed to strength, survival to disguise, these animals have evolved their own superpowers. Nature's heroes are all around us, each with incredible abilities. Let us marvel at their diversity, learn from their ingenuity, and strive to protect the delicate balance of the ecosystems they call home.